What's going on, guys? It's your boy Mr. J and Quells, and welcome to another episode of Quells World. I'm here today at Audi at Westwood to bring you guys another special feature, the 2020 Audi E-Tron. This is Audi's first dab at the electric vehicle, but does it have what it takes to knock out its competitors like Tesla? Find out and stay tuned and tell me what you guys think. As always, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll get back to you guys. Enjoy. Alright guys, and there you have it. The brand new Audi E-Tron is here, and it's here to stay. Audi's first jab at Tesla, Audi's first jab at electric cars. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys thought about the car in the comments. Have a good day, guys.